Hello and welcome to another update video about the gold market. Gold. I want to share with you my latest view of the microstructure here, especially the current move to the upside, which might be forming a 5-wave move up, but it's looking increasingly like something different. I mean, talking about this move here that started in February, middle of February, this is now where it's getting really interesting, because the gold is playing out that sort of bullish momentum that we've been talking about. And we have 5 waves up in the yellow count. I don't like that count so much because it is really a very much extended 5th wave. Okay, so we're dealing with a really extended 5th wave in yellow wave 1. Not unusual though in commodities. However, also, it starts to look more like an ABC structure or something. So still though, it is a possible 5-wave move. And in the yellow count, if we get a pullback, then it could be a wave 2, which however the price needs to break below 2,285 to confirm the onset of wave 2. It would be an ABC structure. And ideally then, the price holds above $2,072. That's the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement. Any break below that would indicate something more bearish is going on. But as long as we're holding above 2072 in any pullback, we should see further upside towards the $2,500 range. So that's one scenario, this yellow wave count. I'm thinking about maybe changing it a bit because obviously we talked about, the 3rd wave being a diagonal, right? Not the 3rd wave. The entire move of the 22 low is a diagonal because of the choppy nature of these movements, and it is absolutely possible that this here is an A wave, B wave, and the idea was in a C wave we get a 5-wave move. Well, yeah, but it's possible that this is forming a larger ABC, okay, which would then be an A wave. Then we can get a B. I'm just saying, that would be annoying, and then a C wave rally. So it could just form these large ABC structures. That is the problem with the current phase in the gold market, because looking at the larger degree, gold seems to be in a 5th wave. Gold seems to be in a 5th wave, and that's something that needs to be considered. I know that on Twitter there are a lot of gold bulls now, okay? And yeah, I'm bullish on gold. I have been for more than a year, for 1.5 years. Yeah. But I also understand where we are in the overall cycle, and my assumption hasn't changed since October 22 when gold bottomed. The idea was that we're in a wave 5 of 5, and that this move up could, complete a very long uptrend. So it basically will be followed by a deep pullback. But we're not there yet. We should go higher in the coming months. Now, I'm just trying to figure out here the exact micro count. Now it's challenging because we're dealing with a diagonal, and here precision is difficult. But best I can tell is, okay, in the preferred scenario, still we have 5 waves up. If there is a pullback, I would first watch this support area, but it takes a break below 2,285 to confirm a top in place. Until we have that, we could also explore the white count, which is more aggressively bullish. In this scenario, wave C of 3 is an ending diagonal, and we only had 3 waves up in wave 1, 3 waves down in wave 2, which was very shallow. Then we would be dealing with a 3-wave move up in wave 3. I don't really have a clear micro count for that. But okay, let's assume the thing is, due to the length here, this is a possibility. And we could then reach maybe 2,420 or 2,458 next. Then we could get a 4 and a 5, and that would complete the C wave. So that's sort of something else I'm observing. That's why I say we need a break below 2,285 to indicate that some kind of a top is in place. Until then, it might be here this white 3rd wave that's actually unfolding, which could reach here this sort of area that we have on the chart as next target area, which is relevant for this 3rd wave, because the 3rd wave should reach the 1.236 or the 1.38 extension typically. Or higher. Higher is always possible, but yeah, that's what I'm watching at the moment, and there isn't much more to add, really. All I can say is these are the next resistances. Typically, the 100% extension is also resistance, We seem to be grinding just below that level right now. But if this is the third wave in white, it should go a little higher. Yeah, that's all I can share at the moment about gold. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, then feel free to check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.